Everybody, what we have here is the PESIKO brand of the handheld pressure washer. This is one of the powerful ones that they have. It's a 48 VMAX lithium battery, 10,000 mAh. Let's do a little demo for you with it. I'm going to try and show you all the different um, head nozzles spray options you have. Everything is built in here. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, what 7 different spray options. We're going to do the first one, which is 0 degrees, and here we have it. As you can see, what your 5 sprays. Face the camera down, sir. Lower down. It's a long spray, a long jet spray. Then we have this option, which is like let's say it's like the water plants. Watch the show spray. That's a spray there. We have another one which is like this here. Not too sure what this option is, but this is how it's sprays out. Alright. 40 degree. Very nice. 25 degree. 15 degree. Again, 0 degree. It's very powerful. It stings the hand. Right. This one comes with a built-in one, and there is a 15-foot, either 15 or 20 feet hose. As you can see, what I did, I have a barrel here, and I have it into the barrel. All right, that's my water source, or I can use a gallon size and work with it. All right, I'll put it in a bucket. You don't have to set up any hose like when using a traditional pressure washer. These ones allow you to be portable and maneuverable. Right, so what we're going to do, I'm going to pressure wash my stairs. It's a bit dirty, and we're going to see exactly how it performs. Let's go now. Wow, look at that. Wow, it washes it like water. Look how clean it gets. Let's see across here. All this dust and grime. Let's see. Wow. Excellent. As you can see, all the spider webs, everything is disappearing, right? Sometimes what this is months and months of dust. The dust has kind of stained the paint, but as you can see, it's actually washing away the dust. The stain is will be there, but the dust is actually moving out. And let's see again. Let's try this step. Wow, look how clean the step looks. Excellent. Very good. It's bright red now. As you can see, it's bright red. I'm going to wash a step across here and show you exactly how it washes it. Alright, let me show you. Now. Beautiful. Excellent.